Hello everyone, I am here aboard the beautiful Carnival Jubilee to give the introduction or the advance, whatever you want to call it, to this video. This is a video about Inn at the Water Park. This is a Galveston hotel, and I'm showing this to you in case you are leaving out of Galveston or you're in Galveston and you're thinking about a pre or post hotel before or after your cruise. I wanted to show you Inn at the Water Park. Stick around to the end because at the end I'm going to give you a review that you do not want to miss. So let's go to the Inn at the Water Park in Galveston. Well, we have just arrived at Inn at the Water Park. Let's go check this place out. Hotel parking only. Violators will be towed. And over here it says do not enter. It's the wrong way, so I'm not going to go that way. Let's see. Here's the little golf course thing. Compact car parking only. So I won't park there, but I'll park next to it. Let's check this out. And right next to it is Inn at the Water Park Adventure Golf. And then the pool. But let's go to the hotel lobby. Thank you. If you want to play the games, that's right now we're just doing the 164.57. Press the green button first. The way it works is you park your car and you can park it here for $20, like $21.76 I think is the total with tax. But they have this underground kind of like parking area. It's a little tight, but you can park your car here. And if you're staying for a cruise, $21.76 for the week. And as soon as you step off the lobby on the 4th floor, they have this little seating area. That's pretty cool. And let's go to our room. We're here in room 474. All right, opening up your door. Thank you very much. There are the light switches here, which I just turned on, and directly to the left you have your bathroom and also a closet. So let's close the bathroom door here, and then here's your closet area. Has a few clothes hangers, something for laundry. You have your ironing board. Down here is the iron attached at the bottom, and for your folding of your suitcase, all right here behind the door. And then I'm gonna close the bathroom door. There's a little hook on the bathroom door, and turn this way, and here is your mirror. Hello, don't look at all that. The light, your vanity, the little soap that they have for you, and also a hairdryer. And then a trash can down this way. Then you step through, and this is the bathroom area. So this is the very large mirror, the light. Here is what they have for products for us. One sink, your towels here, more light switches, outlets. The toilet right here. And above the toilet is the towel area. Then if you turn, here is your shower. And it is a like walk-in unit. Walk-in unit. So walk in, here's that shower head. It definitely looks older. Yeah. It does have a little handle there. So a walk-in unit. You walk on in to the shower. All right. Then you come right back out. Come straight ahead. Once again, to the left, there is this full-length mirror so you can check out your fit. As you leave, come straight in. Let's go to the left again. We have a table, and it has 2 chairs. Let me just show you what the chairs look like. It's what I noticed is the room is older furniture, you know, not bad, not new, but older and well used, right? So you have a wooden table, 2 chairs, light switch here. Here's your ice bucket right there. If you come through, we have our luggage all in the way, so you just walk on through here. Another chair right there. Is it comfy?
Yes, it's pretty comfy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sturdy, right?
Yeah, sturdy.
Little kitchenette area. And over here you have your microwave. You have your coffee area, little coffee station, and it has several different, you know, regular decaf French vanilla. You have a refrigerator down here, small little fridge, and it does have a little ice maker section there, ice, where you can freeze something actually. I think you can freeze it. And then your 2 beds. I don't know if they're full or queen. To me, they look like they're full, but you have your 2 queen and or full beds. Mom checked it out and she says it is firm. So we'll figure that out tonight. Looks like there's 3 pillows on each bed. And I'm sure they're all different, you know, squishiness, firmness, we'll see. We have a lamp over here, a really large television, your remote, and this little low dresser. It's kind of low. 4-drawer dresser. Pulling out the drawers, they're fine, sufficient. Little shaky there. Trash can, then you have another wooden chair and a desk here. In case you need to do some work, you've got a desk area. And your drawer. And another long mirror. Over here is what is this? Your air conditioning unit. And then our window to the world outside. Here's our view, what we're looking at out there. Nothing spectacular. We're here in Galveston and see no water. It's okay. We'll be on the water tomorrow. This is the room. And just one more thing. I keep forgetting this. Between the 2 beds, you have your nightstand with your drawer here. And of course the Bible. Your lamp. It's cute. Here are your charging solutions there. Clock, phone. Basic, standard. The room is big enough, it's large enough, but definitely there's no extra fluff, none of that. But it will do, it's older. It could do with a remodel. It smells fresh, seems clean. I don't see anything obviously dirty. So this is where we will be staying the night before our cruise. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. And as I promised, I wanted to give you the recap or what I thought about the inn at Waterpark. Because I didn't record the continental breakfast that was served in the morning. Let me just tell you, that area that I showed you in the beginning when we panned over and first came in, that's where breakfast is held. And it is coffee, and I think was there orange juice?
It was definitely apple juice.
Apple juice, water. Then there was, I think, hot teas that you were able to get. It had pastries. There was no meat. It was definitely a continental. There were pastries and fruit. That's what was there for the breakfast. You know, continental or grab and go, that was fine. You're about to get on the ship. If you're doing this as a pre-cruise hotel, you're about to get on the ship anyway. But that's what was offered. I did want to give you my take on this hotel, and I am absolutely not recommending this hotel. Let me tell you why. It was older, and you saw that from the video, but there were 2 things that I just made me think, no, I wouldn't recommend it. There seemed to be a smell, a scent in the room, and my mother called it mildew. It just smelled old, and that would bother too many people. I didn't necessarily smell it, but I could kind of tell it needs to be updated and definitely cleaned better. That wouldn't hurt at all either. But the one thing that stopped me from recommending this to anybody is the fact that I got up in the middle of the night to go to the restroom, and in the shower there was somebody or something there that greeted me that I never want to get greeted by, and that was a roach. There was a roach in the shower when I got up and went to the bathroom. So that's an absolute no. I don't care what the situation might be. I never want to get up in the middle of the night in a hotel and find a critter. So that is my take on it. I would not recommend this hotel. Now the price couldn't be beaten. Of course, it's an older hotel. I think it was $167 for a night. The good thing about the hotel is, of course, it's very close to the area where you're going to be staying if you're going on a cruise out of Galveston, and the parking for $20. And I think earlier in the video I said a night. It is not $20 a night. It's $20 for the week, for however long you're going to be leaving, or for the week. Now, if you're taking a cruise longer than 7 days, it'll probably cost you more, but for 7 days, you can leave your vehicle parked there for $20 and then some tax, $21.76. And the parking is underneath the structure. There's a hotel, the hotel building, and underneath the hotel, it's like a parking lot there. So it's slightly covered, and you can leave it there for 7 days for $21. That is my final take on Inn at the Water Park. Please let me know if you've ever stayed at the Inn at the Water Park, and after this video, would you even consider it? I thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to do all the things, like, subscribe, share, and please definitely give me some comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you at the next adventure.